Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ramadan is the ninth month of the Islamic lunar calendar and is considered the holiest month of the year. During Ramadan, the Muslim they observe fasting from dawn to evening, and during this time they abstain from eating, from drinking, and from other physical needs. What are the key aspects of Ramadan? So the key aspect of Ramadan, the Muslim they fast during Ramadan. Secondly, they increase their worship. Especially there is a nightly prayer that is called Tarawih. So they offer Tarawih during Ramadan, and they also do charity. Muslim they also do a lot of charity. Especially they give a lot of zakat and sadaqat. Laylatul Qadr is also key aspect of Ramadan. What are the benefits of Ramadan? So fasting has a lot of benefits during Ramadan. It has a lot of physical benefits. What are the physical benefits of Ramadan? So fasting during Ramadan has a lot of physical benefits, but if it is done properly and it is also balanced with a balanced diet. So during Ramadan, you should follow all the instructions very well, whatever instructions are there for fasting. And secondly, try to eat balanced diet. So it will give you a lot of physical benefits. So what kind of physical benefits you can get when you observe fasting? So here we have some physical benefits of Ramadan like weight management and fat loss. So if you want to manage your weight or you want to lose your fat, so fasting is one of the best activity for it. So those people who observe fasting, so they can easily manage their weight because it reduces overall intake of calories, and it also burn your fat. Whatever stored fat is there, so normally it use that for energy. The body start using that for energy, so therefore you do need more calories, and therefore you can easily manage your weight. Secondly, it improved your metabolism and digestion. So it also improve metabolism, and it also improve your digestive system as well. Secondly, we have detoxification and cellular repair. So there is a process, autophagy. So it is a process, it is a mechanism in which the body cells it remove the damaged cells, and it also regenerate. So during fasting, it happens in our body, and because of hydration, it also remove the toxin from our body, and it also fasting also improve the liver function and processing the waste material from our body. So therefore it is important for digestion as well, and cellular repair as well. Secondly, heart health, it also improve our heart health and cholesterol improvement. So it also improve our heart health because it lowers bad cholesterol, and while it improves good cholesterol in our body. And apart from that, it also improve our blood circulation, and it also control our blood pressure as well. At lower blood pressure, it control blood pressure. So these are some of the physical benefits of fasting during Ramadan. Another importance of fasting during Ramadan or fasting is better blood sugar control. So fasting also control your blood sugar level, and therefore it also lower the risk of diabetes in our body. So this is another benefit of a physical benefit of fasting during Ramadan. Then we have brain health and mental clarity. Uh, Fasting also improve our brain health, and because of that, we also start thinking clearly, and we also improve our learning and focus as well. So these are the advantages of or the benefits of fasting during Ramadan. Then strengthen immune system. Um, Fasting also strengthen our immune system because it encourages producing more new white blood cells, and which helps the body to fight to fight diseases in our body. So therefore, it improves our immune system in the body. So these benefits, if you want to maximize all these benefits, so what is important for you during Ramadan? How should we eat during Ramadan, or what should we eat during Ramadan? So if you want to maximize all these benefits, then we must try to take balanced diet or balanced meal in Aftari as well as at Sehri time, and we should try to stay hydrated. We should take enough water so that we may remain stay hydrated. And apart from that, we should try to avoid overeating. Overeating also creates problem for us during Ramadan. So we should avoid overeating. Plus, we should also avoid eating excessive sugary and fried food. Sugary food and fried food are also dangerous during Ramadan. So if we want to get the real benefit of Ramadan, the fasting during Ramadan, then we first of all we should avoid overeating, and secondly, sugary things and fried things we should also try to avoid that. So if we eat simple things during Ramadan, we drink water, simple water, and we only eat simple things during Ramadan. So it will give you us more benefits. So whatever physical benefits are there of fasting, so we will really enjoy all those benefits, and we will also remain calm during Ramadan. It will become easy for us as well to observe fasting during Ramadan. We will face no problems at all. So these were some of the physical benefits of fasting during Ramadan, and all those people who fast during Ramadan are apart from Ramadan, so they will enjoy all these physical benefits.